The Epic Games Store free games lineup is always packed with fantastic choices, ranging from action-packed adventures to thought-provoking indie titles. If you're looking for top-tier AAA games or hidden indie gems to add to your collection, this guide is for you. GadInsider will take you through the latest free games available on Epic Games Store, including blockbuster hits like Stalker 2: Heart of Chernobyl and fun indie experiences like Timberborn. Get ready to grab these titles before they're gone. Stalker 2: Heart of Chernobyl, which is a thrilling open-world survival FPS that drops you deep into the radioactive Chernobyl exclusion zone with its hauntingly realistic world, dynamic AI behavior, and non-linear narrative. The game provides a visceral post-apocalyptic experience in which every choice can change the direction of your survival. If you like engaging and demanding shooter games, this game is an absolute must-play. Dragon Age: The Veilguard, which is the newest addition to the highly praised Dragon Age series. This narrative-driven RPG transports players into a vibrant fantasy world where they have to build a team of varied heroes to fight against evil forces. With extensive character customization, tactical combat, and a branching storyline influenced by player decisions, this game is ideal for role-playing adventure enthusiasts. God of War and God of War Ragnarok, which bring the sweeping Norse epic of Kratos to PC gamers. These action-adventure games chart the adventures of Kratos and his son Atreus through gods, monsters, and even the fabric of fate itself. With smooth combat, cinematic storytelling, and a stunning world to discover, these games are an essential purchase for those who love mythic adventure and character-led storytelling. Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered and Marvel's Spider-Man Miles Morales, which enable players to web-sling through the crowded streets of New York as either Peter Parker or Miles Morales. With silky smooth web-slinging, high-octane combat, and engaging superhero storytelling, these titles offer a thrilling open-world experience for Marvel enthusiasts and action gamers everywhere. Red Dead Redemption, which is a classic open-world Western adventure game by Rockstar Games. It takes place in the waning days of the Wild West, where players take on the role of John Marston, an outlaw trying to redeem himself amidst a world of bandits, bounty hunters, and lawmen. With its engaging story, realistic world architecture, and engaging gameplay, this game's one of the greatest open-world experiences ever created. Here are all the free indie games on Epic Games Store. Thank goodness You're Here, which is a hand-drawn comedy adventure that drops players into a bizarre and colorful world filled with wacky characters and unexpected surprises. With a focus on humor, quirky interactions, and whimsical storytelling, this game offers a lighthearted escape for players looking for a unique and entertaining experience. Sorry, We're Closed, which is a psychological horror adventure that takes players into a dark, mysterious world filled with eerie atmospheres and unsettling encounters. With a mix of puzzle solving and horror storytelling, this indie gem keeps players on edge while unraveling a chilling narrative. Timberborn, which is a novel city building and survival simulation game where you get to play as beaver civilizations. With resource management, sustainable buildings, and colony survival as its focus, the game's a welcome break from the standard city builder game. If you're a fan of strategy and simulation games, Timberborn's the way to go. Creeks, which is a stunningly hand-painted puzzle adventure from the makers of Machinarium. The player embarks on a surreal journey through a bizarre underground world that features living furniture and secret hiding spots. The atmospheric narrative and intelligent environmental pieces of the game make it a great choice for lovers of artful and immersive puzzle games. RoboQuest, which is an action-packed, roguelike FPS that combines fast-paced shooting mechanics with cooperative multiplayer. It's set in a sci-fi universe where robots have become the dominant force, and players have to battle their way through procedurally generated levels, gathering deadly weapons and upgrades in the process. If you're a fan of high-energy shooters, RoboQuest provides an action-packed thrill ride. The Epic Games Store free games list continues to impress by offering top-tier AAA and indie titles at no cost. Whether you're looking for story-driven RPGs, action-packed shooters, or creative indie experiences, there's something for every type of gamer. Be sure to claim these free titles before the offer expires and expand your gaming library with some of the best games available right now.